Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video I'd like to show you how to install the mini mesh bead. This is galvanized bead used for interiors only. If you use it outside it's gonna get rust on it. So I'm gonna show you how to install it using the bonding plaster, and I'm gonna fit it onto this corner. So first I need to cut it. Obviously I need to measure to size to cut it. On top I'm gonna fit coving, on the bottom obviously the skirting board. Nothing is in place yet, so I don't need to be so accurate. I measured 230, so that's I'm gonna cut using angle grinder. I've got mixed plaster bonding in this bucket. It's a bit too much, but I need it for other things as well. Don't use any multi-finish, any tile adhesive or anything else. I think this is the best thing to use to stick the beading onto the corners. So first I'm going to apply a really thin coat straight on the corner and then stick the beading onto it. So now I'm going to apply the mini mesh bead. I just place it where it should be and press it, squeeze it so the bonding comes to the holes. And you always need to check if this is in level. Obviously remove the excess. Now I'm gonna apply second coat, also very thin, on top of this beading. When you apply the second coat, please always leave this edge clear, and so the bonding is a bit inwards, so then there is enough space to put plaster on top of this. This will dry in about 2 hours, and then you can start plastering, putting the multi-finish on top of the surface straight away. I hope it helps in your DIY projects. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.